What's going on, everybody? It's me, John, with Rock Branded, where rock bands get rock solid branding. It's day 4, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. This is in my vlog Every Day in May series. Like I said again, this is day 4, May 4th, 2019. Today, since I was watching a video earlier about MLMs, or multi-level marketing companies, or as they're better known, pyramid schemes. Part of the reason why I want to talk about them today is not to encourage anybody to get out and actually do them, but if you look at the business model towards whatever it is you're trying to do, whether you're trying to build a fan base, you're trying to get more people to listen to your music, you're trying to get people to watch your videos, I think an MLM is a really good example of a structure that you can follow to get people interested in what you're doing. Basically, what most MLMs will try and do is they'll try and get you to sell to your quote-unquote warm leads, like your friends and family, and then make them you make them associates or affiliates or whatever, and then the more people that they're able to get, then they become directors and whatnot, and that's how the whole pyramid scheme works. Now, I'm not saying go out there and try and sell your family or your friends or anything and try and get them to pay you for anything that's of zero value, which is the biggest problem with a lot of MLMs and pyramid schemes. Basically, you're not really buying a product from a lot of those companies 9 times out of 10. All it is it's it's basically like a recruitment pyramid. Like one person recruits 5 people, those 5 people then recruit another 5, and now you have 25 to 26 people working in your quote-unquote downline. So I'm not saying to do that, but what I am saying to do is there's nothing really wrong with having people say, hey, why don't you check out my video? Hey, friends and family, why don't you check out my new song? Why don't you see if you can get maybe 5 or 6 people to listen to my new song or to watch my video? Turn them into your warm leads, so to speak. I did this a couple of times. I've worked for different companies that were, basically a pyramid scheme or something along those lines, and it gave me a little bit more bravery or courage, I would say, to start recruiting people and talking to people and asking people to help me out, because essentially what you have to do is, if you don't feel comfortable going to your friends and family, you have to get on the phone with people, you got to make cold calls, you got to go knocking on doors. I've done door-to-door, I've done all these different things, and even though it feels sleazy and it feels like you're almost like a used car salesman, and you're, like I said, it feels sleazy, it's something that I've benefited from, because basically now it's like I don't have too much anticipation when it comes to reaching out to people in DMs, reaching out to people in emails, reaching out to people on Facebook, on Instagram, all that stuff. It just makes life a lot easier, because all you got to do is write the message and click send, and that's it. So along with me challenging anyone else to get on board with this vlog every day in May, I want to challenge each of you guys to, if you have some sort of creative thing that you're doing, get your friends and family involved. See if they can get 4 or 5 people to check out what you're doing. Hey, my cousin made this song, why don't you give it a listen? Oh, hey, my brother made this video, why don't you have a look at it? See if you can get them to kind of promote you. So, build your little quote-unquote army or your cartel that way. I mean, that's basically what I'm doing with Rock Branded. And since we're on the topic, if anyone out there knows me personally, I want you guys sharing this video. I want you guys blowing up my spot. I want you guys to take action for me the way that I'm telling you guys to get your warm leads to take action for you. You guys are my warm leads. I need you guys to do this for me. You know what I mean? I can't do this by myself. I need you guys as much as you need me, and that is what the beauty of Rock Branded is. So anyway, thanks again for checking in, everybody. I hope you all are enjoying my little vlog every day in May series. Take the challenge while you're at it. Get your friends and family interested in yours truly, and I would mostly appreciate it. Anyway, this is John again from Rock Branded, where rock bands get rock solid branding. Signing out.